前回のビデオでは Future Perfect Continuous Tense について勉強しましたね。このビデオではもっと勉強しましょう。Okay, let's begin. Our previous video, we talked about the future perfect continuous tense. Now, we will learn the differences between future continuous and future perfect continuous. For future continuous, you use a will be plus verb ing. Mainly focus on what will be happening at a specific time in the future. They do not use any durations and it describe an action in progress. For future perfect continuous is will have been plus verb ing. Focus on how long something will have been happening. Also used with durations like 2 hours since 8 a.m. It emphasizes the length of action before a future time. Let's take a look at the examples. For future continuous, I will be watching Netflix at 9 p.m. Future perfect continuous is I will have been watching Netflix for 3 hours by 9 p.m. They will be waiting at the gate when we arrive. They will have been waiting at the gate for 30 minutes when we arrive. Since we have learned more about the future perfect continuous tense, let's take a look at the structure. For affirmative, subject plus will have been plus verb ing. She will have been practicing her dance since 4 p.m. Negative is subject plus will not have been plus verb ing. We won't have been waiting long before the concert starts. For question is will plus subject plus have been plus verb ing. Will you have been working on your project by summer? WH question is WH word plus will plus subject plus have been plus verb ing. What will he have been doing before the party starts? Now it's quiz time. I'll give you 3 seconds. By 7 p.m. I for 5 hours straight. The answer is will have been studying. By 7 p.m. I will have been studying for 5 hours straight. She on her fan art for 3 weeks by Comic-Con. The answer is will have been working. She will have been working on her fan art for 3 weeks by Comic-Con. He on that video all night by the time it uploads. He will have been working on that video all night by the time it uploads. By tomorrow, I for this competition for a month. The answer is will have been training. Tomorrow, I will have been training for this competition for a month. At 8 p.m. tomorrow, we our online game tournament. The answer is will be playing. We will answer will be playing because it does not talk about the duration of time in the future, but just a point in the future, which is at 8 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, that's all for today. Future Perfect Continuous Tense についてもっと学んでいただければ幸いです。次のビデオ楽しみにしてくださいね。質問があれば下にコメントしてください。返事します。今日は本当にありがとうございました。バイバイ。